If you are a young person between 11 and 25 living in Wales, Welsh Government wants to find out about your current experiences of youth work. They also want to hear your ideas about how youth work can be improved so that it works for you and now in the future.
Whether you access youth work regularly or from time to time, or if you've not yet had the chance, this is an opportunity for you to share your views and ideas to help develop youth work in Wales.
Welsh Government is developing a new statutory requirements and guidance that set out clear expectations on how youth work is designed and delivered.
One of these improvements will be to make sure we as young people have a say in the design of these services so that they meet our needs and interests.
What youth work provision is available in your community or online, and now where you can meet friends, try new things and get advice and support when you need it.
Is there anything which stops or makes it difficult for you to access this youth work provision at the moment?
What youth work activities, services, events would you like or need that you don't have at the moment?
To submit your responses, you can do this directly or as part of the group.
Please speak to a youth worker or support worker to learn more about sharing your views as a group.
Thank you for listening. For more information, please email youthwork@gov.wales.